when you're doing these LAN connectors, pay attention. If there is this little insert in the bag, it can be easily missed if you're in a hurry. And then just use it. When you have your wires in place, you just put it on like this. See? And now all the cables are in place. Take your pliers, cut the excess. Why is this not working? Okay, wrong side. Now you just slightly pull it off, put your connector, and now crimp it. You will get good connectors 100% of the time. I didn't use it for the first 10 times, but you will.